Now let's talk about color. So you can change the color of your histograms. This is a parameter. So what you do, you go inside of the plt.hist method and you put a comma, and then you can certainly change the color. Okay, so parameter is called color, and most standard colors are available. So I think it's worthwhile to pick a color that helps to tell the story of your histogram, right? This is about heart disease. Hearts pump blood, blood is red, and so I can switch it to a color of red. Okay, you can see it gives you a really bright red. Well, if you want to look at some alternative reds, I type in matplotlib colors, okay, in a standard Google search under images, and you can see this is a matplotlib documentation. And so you can go ahead and look at this, and it gives you a lot of different options. Down here, you can see, maybe if the red is too red, I want something like fire brick, perhaps, okay, or Indian red. A lot of different choices here, and these are not all of the choices. These are just, you can certainly get any color you like. These are just some different options. I'm going to try crimson. So I go back, and instead of that extra bright red, I will try crimson. Press Shift Enter. And perhaps I like that a little better. And I'll also show you a trick with color. So if you want something that's a little lighter, you can set alpha, which is the transparency. So when it's at 100% is the default, which means no transparency. 0 would be an invisible histogram. So if you do something like 0.8, it'll make it a little transparent and it won't quite be as bright. So if I press Shift Enter, you can see there's a little transparency, which makes it nice. And it is, in fact, not quite as bright. So alpha is a way that you can modify your colors. See if you do 0.4, you can see it's got more of a pinkish kind of effect, okay?